Hey everyone, today I'm really excited because I just received this DigitPro video, the digital converter for reviewing purposes. I think that it's really nice because you can plug it into your DVD, VHS, VCR machine, so you can be able to record it and transfer it to a digital version, which I think that it's really nice. In here we have all the ports, the S-Video, the audio left, the audio right, the AV in, a headset that we can use it like a input or output depending on how we want to use it, and the HDMI output. Okay, we also have a option for a USB drive, and in here we have the screen with all the different controls in here, and in this side we have the infrared and the LED that will tell us if it's on or off. Okay, let's see what else comes inside. We got the proper remote control, which we're going to use when we are recording and being able to use all the functions, which I think that it's great. We have also the proper cables in case that we don't have them, making it a really nice option. This way you just have it on and you just have to plug it in. Okay, in this case, you usually just match the colors. And this one will go onto the VHS or DVD or in case any device that you're going to use it with, which I think that it's great. Subset, we can also use the S-Video on port, and in here we have a USB-A to Type-C charging cable with its adapter, so we can charge it up. It just uses the Type-C port right here, and we can use also a memory card. It doesn't come included, but I think that it's a really nice option. Okay. We also get some batteries for the remote control. And lastly, we have in here the proper user manual with all the important information, all the interface and everything. In here we can see how we connect it to the source depending on the one that we have, which I think that it's great. Okay, so after giving a throw to the user manual, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out with the power adapter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. I have my extension right here. I'll plug it in and connect it. Okay, as you can see, it turned on. This is a simple preview mode. It will be like this, but we can access the settings. We can see the language. We can even set it on many different languages, which I think that it's great. A little bit on English. We can adjust the system, date, the time zone, if we want a time watermark, the auto recording functions, the video size, which I think that it's really nice. We can set it on auto detection, which I'm gonna leave it like this, and change the video source in case that you have the S-Video connected. We can change it right here, which I think that it's nice. We can also adjust the audio type of the recording on WAV or MP3. And it's really nice. What I like about it is that you can choose if you want to record just the audio or the video of it, which I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's really nice and I would really recommend it. See you guys.